Hello and welcome to yet another exciting moment with Magic AutoCAD. In this part of tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Revolve tool. Here, this is your Revolve tool under the modeling panel. So there we are. So let's get started. I would like us to first of all go to the polyline. You click on polyline. Then just come here and make a quick geometry. Okay, you click somewhere there, then pull it like this to this angle, then down, put it inward this way, then outward somewhere there, then you pull it upward. Okay, you bring it back here. Let's align it here, then this way. So it depends on you how you want to make your own. All right, then you bring it back somewhere there, then let's bring it this way here, then we bring it this way, then we bring it inward somewhere there, bring it again down a bit, then you bring it out here to line with this part. You track this path. Okay, you track this path. Okay, there, and you end it up here, then escape. Then now let's go back to line. You go back to line, then you estimate a distance somewhere here, then you pull it down, and let's track it here. So this one is an axis line. Okay, escape, then go here to switch to the southwest isometric view. Remember, your drawing is supposed to be on 3D workspace. Okay, so remember to switch your 3D workspace. Sorry, I forgot to tell you in the beginning. Then let's put this, let's check, is it in parallel? Okay, it's in parallel so that I can see well. Then now go to the Revolve tool. Okay, then you click on the Revolve tool, come here, click on this object, enter. Then now on the command line you're going to see object X, Y, Z. Then you select on object, then you come here, you click on this axis line that we drew, then you click on this axis line, then you're going to find something like this. Okay, you're going to find a revolve, some kind of revolvement like this. Then let's type in an angle. Okay, you type in an angle of 360, that is a complete circle, enter, and then you're going to find something like this. So let's go to realistic and see what we got here. Change to realistic, then let's orbit it a bit. So you're going to see that we formed an object, a solid object with a groove midpoint. Okay, so you're going to see we form this is what we formed. Then now I'd like us to undo this. We go up here to undo. Okay, now let's quickly look at another example. And before we do that, I would like us to go to the fillet tool, go under modify, and then you see the fillet. You click on the fillet, come to the command line, you click on radius. Let's type in a radius of 1, enter. Then let's select multiple. Okay, then you come up here, let's choose here and here. Also fillet this part and this part. Let's fillet also this part and this part. We'll make a fillet of here and here, then equally here and here. That's good. Escape. We go to Revolve, then you click on object, enter. This time around we're not gonna use this axis, okay, as our object, but this time we're gonna use the object as our axis. So you click on this first point, you come here, move over here, you click on the second point, then you're gonna have your revolving object. Then let's type in the angle 360 full circle, then enter. Then let's go to realistic to see what we got here. Then now let's orbit it, okay, for you to really see. Wow, now you're going to see that you've made a solid object without the groove, okay, you've made a solid object without a groove. Okay, so now let's quickly go back to see the last example. We go to undo. Okay, from here I would like us to explode this object, okay. We select the object. Remember, it's a poly object, it's a join object, okay. So we go to modify, under modify, drop down modify, and you're going to see this explode option, okay. You click on explode and automatically it explodes. You see that these lines now are independent. Now let's delete this one, okay, delete. And now we need to join, okay, we need to join back this object because we exploded. So we'll go back to modify, we select all, let's select all the objects, okay, including this one. Then we'll go back to modify panel. Then here you're going to see the join command, okay. You click on the join, so it's gonna join. It's now a single unit. So with that, we go back to the revolve command, then we click on our object, enter. Then here we're going to select from this end, we click the first point, then over here to the second point we click, and then you're going to see this revolvement of auto. Then now let's type in our angle 360, enter. Let's go to realistic. Sorry, realistic. Then let's try to orbit to see what we got here. Then here you're going to see that we now have a hollow object, okay, not more solid, okay. When you look very well inside, look very well, you're going to see we have a hollow. So the whole of this, it's hollow inside, okay. So we don't more have yeah, look here and see, so we have a complete hollow. So thanks very much guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.